Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about Android libraries and we'll see how we can use any free library that is available on GitHub. So let's start with a new project. Give it any name. Yeah, and then search for any open source GitHub library. So Android Arsenal is one of the best place to search out for the Android open source libraries, and you can see now there's a bunch of libraries. If you want to like use parallax list view, you have 10 libraries available, and for everything there is a lot of libraries. So let's start with a one library that is material dialog, and open up this page and go to the readme file. So material dialogues modules, the core module. Okay, this is saying that this library has multiple modules like core input for input text fields if you want to get user input, and for selection of files, and for colors, and for date, and list is going on and on. The reputation of this library is quite appealing, so we can rely on this. And let's see how we can use the core component of this library. So go to Gradle dependency and copy this, go to build.gradle, and at the bottom of that paste it, click on sync now. And once the syncing is done, we will go back to the GitHub page, and we'll see how easy it is to utilize this library. So this code will help us show this type of a simple pop-up. Let's try this one first. Go to main activity and you can create a separate method. And yeah, we are good. So we can choose anything we want. And we can change title as well. And yeah, we are good to go. Last thing, we have to call this method, and I think we are good. We can open up the simulator. The simulator is pretty old, so we like to play it on Pixel. Okay, here's our very simple dialog box, and let's add some buttons into it, and we will again go back to library page, and we'll see how we can add the positive and negative buttons. So here's the action buttons, and we have a positive and negative buttons. So we will copy this thing and come back to our project, and we can like agree, or maybe we can say just okay, and we'll run this again and we'll see what is the outcome now. Wow, so we have a very simple pop-up dialog. We haven't have to write any specific line of code for this, and we have utilized this open source library, and yeah, we are good to go. So there's a bunch of lot of stuff in an open source world, so you can give it a try, and you can like uh, pick any of the library of your use, and you can utilize this and that in the same way. So that's all guys for this tutorial. This was the basic workflow for utilizing any open source library that is freely available on GitHub. We'll see you in the next tutorial.